Okay. Hi everybody. I'm here again. It's Lisa with Joyfully Art. I'm going to do another video for you, and it's going to be kind of a quick one, I think. I'm going to do a tree ring. It'll be elongated, and then I'm going to have to like feather out the sides of it. And I'm using all metallic paints this time. Got them upside down. It's Deco Art, Berry, and Bright Copper, Splendid Gold, and Royal Ruby. And let's see, I mix my paints with Floetrol 3:1, and I've already got them in my cup. So let's just get started. And I will use white after I get these poured. These cups, I don't really like them because they don't bend real well. They tend to break instead of bend. I got a lot of paint here, but I'm not going to use all of it. I want to tip my canvas a little bit so it'll go down, and you want to pour very slowly. Make it in little circles. There we go. See how this works and how the colors are. Here we go. Oh, this is really pretty. I love the. I'm a very pink and red and burgundy. Those colors I love. I do have some black in here also, just to. There we go. Whoops, I want to drop that. Oh, my paints are kind of thin. Oops, what's over there? Okay, I do want to tilt it a little bit, that not too much. It ran all the way down to the end really fast this time. I don't want to go over this end, but I want to go back down. Can't believe how thin my paints were this time. It didn't seem like it. Let's go this way. You always want to try and bring your paint back to the middle before you start tilting a different direction, just to make it an even. Let's go down this way a little bit more. I'm really amazed how thin my paints are today. I did one yesterday, I guess it was, off camera, and it turned out pretty nice. And this is white. I use a white latex house paint, and I mix it with Floetrol. There's no silicone in any of them. Get the gunk off the top of my white paint here. And then I want to do the sides with white. See if I can get them on here good enough. Oops. Here. Also, if I wanted to tilt more, it will help it. Okay. Oopsie, excuse me, I'm going to go off camera. I forgot my little spatula. Forgot my spatula. Oh, it's not a spatula, it's a putty knife actually. I think I got them at Walmart. I want to get it right up to the edge, but I don't want to get it in there. Make sure that I got it all covered. I don't know how the weather's been where you guys are at, but it has been stifling hot here. I live in Illinois. And they always say in Illinois that if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes and it'll change. And it's about true. It stormed last night, and so it was very, very humid today. And I think we're going to go camping this weekend, so I hope it doesn't rain, and I hope that it's not very stifling hot. But it probably will be. That's just our luck. If it gets too hot, we'll just go in the camper and sit in the air conditioning. Kind of defeats the purpose of going camping, I think, but we're going to take our 2 little grandsons with us. So that ought to be exciting. We've never taken them both at the same time. Let's see. Okay, I think I got my white spread out, all right. Okay, let's see. Turn it up this way. A little bit more. I think I lost a lot of the tree ring part. Okay, right, my hands. And then I have a fan brush, and it is a level 1 acrylic fan brush. So what I'm going to do is just start and draw some of the paint out into the white, like this. Make sure you have something to wipe it on, so you can always wipe it off if you get too much paint. It's really very simple to pull it out all the way down to the bottom. And then start on this side. It's a little bit more hard. I'm left-handed, so things just are a little bit more difficult for me in a right-handed world. Kind of funny, but there we go. Oh, it's funny how you can do the same kind of painting, just a little bit different colors, and it is totally, totally different than the other one. It's just unbelievable how they do that. I'll show you the other one in a minute so you can kind of get a comparison to them. Let's see. Make sure I have all my edges covered up. I think I might need some more white paint to go over them, but you can kind of do that after the fact. Oops. I always take it and just get some on my fingers and then go along the sides if I didn't have enough to begin with, and that pretty much takes care of it. It's pretty good. This side's pretty darn good. Bottom off. There we go. This side looks pretty good. Get the sides and the edges. The corners are the bad part. Okay, there we are. I'm going to be at, oh, I just got my rag in there. Oh, I do that all the time. I'm so clumsy. I get talking and mess it up. Let's see. That's a good thing though. Just straighten it right back out. And there we go. I'm going to, it's called First Sunday Midwest Bazaar. And it's in Petersburg, Illinois. It's on the first Sunday of every month. So I will be there in July. I have a booth reserved for my painting, so I hope everything goes well there. If any of you are local and want to come and support me and all the other vendors that come out, there are all kinds of different things. I've been to it before, and there are all kinds of different people that come and display their art or whatever they're making. Okay, let's see. Here's the other one that I made. I did it in blue tones, and it did have black in it also. So, and it looks totally different. And then this is the painting from my second video, and before it was just plain. And after I got done filming it, I thought it looked kind of plain, so I embellished it with gold glitter. So I thought it made it look better and give it some sparkle. So that's it. That's it for this time. I hope that you will please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell next to the subscribe button, and it will notify you whenever I put a new video up. Like I said, we are going camping this weekend, so this will be the last one for this week, but hopefully I'll have one back up again on Monday, and I can tell you all about the fun we had while we were camping. I think we're going to go to Missouri, around Mark Twain area, if anybody knows that area. So everybody have a good weekend and try and beat the heat. Thanks.